Here we are, finally back. So here's the trail that's gonna take me to my truck. This is Sulphur. I just hiked up to the outlook, a couple miles. So now we get to, oof, smells. On that way is the sulfur content. Normally it's like a yellow color, but yeah. And here is my baby. Okay, I made it. He's safe. And here is where they used to bathe in it. The indigenous Indians. So, okay. I'm gonna get out of here and get on to Turner Falls. Okay. Y'all get out, do some hiking. About to do some kayaking. But yeah, y'all take care. Peace.